Another day, another hike. Today we went to Rosshütte in Seefeld. The train ride to Seefeld is absolutely scenic. You pass through canyons and mountains. Seefeld itself is a charming alpine town in Tirol. It's famous for winter sports, particularly for skiing, but in spring and summer it's perfect for hiking and climbing. Today we did something different though. To reach the summit station at Rosshütte, we took 2 funicular cable cars. It's easy to get up without a long climb. Close to the train station is Wildsee, a small lake surrounded by trees. You can also visit Mörsersee, which is reachable by bus or on foot. We visited both this spring. From Rosshütte, there are 2 summits you can reach directly. Each one is accessible by a different cable car. While we were there, we saw paragliders taking off. Watching them float and fly over the mountains was amazing. Couple of panoramic hikes here. One of them is the Seefelder Spitze. The hike offers breathtaking views over the entire plateau. On clear days, you can even see the Zugspitze, which is Germany's highest peak. The trail was a bit difficult for me. It's fully exposed in some parts. Psychologically, it made it challenging, but the views reminded me of the Dolomites, especially Cadini di Misurina. There are also climbing roads. Some sections have iron rungs and ladders. They make the road thrilling and accessible for those who enjoy via ferrata. For more experienced hikers, the Königstour is a full height road It connects several peaks and can take a few hours.
What can you tell about the hikes?
Not for the faint of heart. Difficult for a beginner.
For me, it was difficult. We had to come back from there. We were somewhere, I don't know where.
Over there.
Over there. Yes, we had to come back, and then we took another funicular, and now we are on another mountain. Yeah, it was a bit steep, I would say, but there were kids. I don't know, Austrian kids are something different.
Oh yeah, we just run there. It's like nothing.
It's like nothing.
Karwendel Nature Park is not far from here. It's Austria's largest protected nature reserve. The park has rugged peaks, deep valleys and alpine wildlife. You might see ibex or even golden eagles. From Seefeld or Rosshütte, you can start trails that lead toward Karwendel. For families, there is an adventure playground at the middle station of Rosshütte. Kids can climb, slide and enjoy the mountain views. Overall, Rosshütte is a mix of adventure and beautiful scenery. You can hike, climb, watch wildlife, or just relax. It's a great place to spend a day in the Alps. If you are visiting Tirol, I would definitely recommend coming here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.